chocolate. The word alone is enough to make your mouth water, right? But what if I told you there's a healthier, equally delicious alternative that's been hiding in plain sight? Meet carob, the sweet, chocolatey fruit that's been fooling taste buds for centuries. It's brown, it's sweet, and it's packed with nutrients. But here's the kicker. It's not chocolate. No, this is carob, the undercover superstar of the health food world. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, nothing can replace chocolate, hear me out. Carob isn't just a wannabe. It's a legit powerhouse. It's lower in fat, naturally sweet, and doesn't come with the guilt trip of a sugar crash. Plus, it's gluten-free, caffeine-free, and lactose-free. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around, because today on the Wellness Lab, we're diving deep into the world of carob. By the end of this video, you might just be swapping your chocolate stash for this ancient superfood. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is carob? Well, carob comes from the carob tree, Ceratonia siliqua, which grows in Mediterranean climates. The tree produces these long, dark brown pods that look a bit like oversized green beans. Inside these pods are sweet, edible seeds that have been used for thousands of years. In fact, carob has a history as rich as its flavor. Ancient Egyptians used it as a sweetener. It was even mentioned in the Bible as John's bread. Legend has it that John the Baptist survived in the wilderness by eating carob pods. Talk about a survival snack. Fast forward to today, and carob is making a comeback as a health food. But how does it stack up against chocolate? Let's break it down. Carob is naturally sweet, which means it doesn't need added sugar to taste delicious. It's also lower in fat than cocoa, with almost no saturated fat. And here's a fun fact. Carob doesn't contain theobromine or caffeine, which are found in chocolate. So if you're sensitive to stimulants or just want to avoid that post-chocolate jitter, carob's got your back. But wait, there's more. Carob is also packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for healthy skin, vision, and even bone growth. And it contains vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, which supports your nervous system and helps keep your brain sharp. So not only does carob taste good, but it's also good for you. It's like the superhero of sweet treats. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, but how do I actually use this stuff? Well, carob is incredibly versatile. You can find it in powder form, which is perfect for baking. Swap it out for cocoa powder in your favorite recipes, and you've got a healthier version of your go-to treats. Or if you're feeling adventurous, try carob chips in your cookies or carob syrup drizzled over pancakes. Trust me, your taste buds won't know the difference. And here's the best part. Carob isn't just for desserts. You can add carob powder to smoothies, oatmeal, or even savory dishes for a touch of sweetness. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the pantry. So whether you're a chocolate lover looking for a healthier alternative or just someone who loves trying new foods, carob is definitely worth a spot in your kitchen. First up, let's talk about weight loss. Yes, you heard that right. Carob can actually help you shed a few pounds. How? Well, it's all about the fiber. Carob is loaded with insoluble fiber, which not only keeps your digestive system running smoothly, but also helps you feel full longer. That means fewer cravings and less mindless snacking. Plus, carob has a low glycemic index, which means it won't spike your blood sugar like traditional sweets. So, if you're looking for a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth, carob is your new best friend. But wait, there's more. Carob isn't just good for your waistline, it's also great for your skin. Thanks to its high vitamin A content, carob can help keep your skin glowing and healthy. Vitamin A is essential for cell regeneration, which means it can help repair damaged skin and even reduce the appearance of wrinkles. So while you're enjoying that carob pudding, just remember, you're basically giving yourself a facial. Talk about multitasking. Now let's talk about your brain. Carob contains vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, which plays a key role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. Thiamine helps optimize blood flow to your muscles and brain, which can improve focus, memory, and overall mental clarity. So if you've been feeling a little foggy lately, maybe it's time to swap your morning coffee for a carob smoothie. Okay, maybe not swap entirely, but you get the idea. And let's not forget about your bones and teeth. Carob is rich in calcium and phosphorus, two minerals that are essential for strong bones and teeth. So while you're indulging in that carob-infused dessert, you're also giving your skeleton a little love. Who knew eating dessert could be so wholesome? Now let's get practical. How can you incorporate carob into your daily life? Well, the possibilities are endless. Start your day with a carob smoothie bowl topped with fresh fruit and nuts. For lunch, try adding carob powder to a savory sauce for a hint of sweetness. And for dessert, oh, the options are limitless. Carob brownies, carob cookies, carob pudding. You name it, carob can do it. Here's a quick and easy recipe to get you started. Carob Energy Bites. All you need is carob powder, oats, almond butter, honey, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all together, roll into balls, and refrigerate. Boom, you've got a healthy, energy-boosting snack that's perfect for on the go. But carob isn't just for eating. Did you know it's also used in skincare products? That's right, carob extract is a popular ingredient in moisturizers and masks because of its antioxidant properties. So if you're feeling extra fancy, why not treat yourself to a carob face mask? Your skin will thank you. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but where do I find carob? Good news, it's easier to find than you might think. Most health food stores carry carob powder, chips, and even ready-made treats. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can order carob pods online and experiment with making your own carob products. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Carob is naturally sweet, so you don't need to overload your recipes with it. Before we wrap up, let's address the elephant in the room. Can carob really replace chocolate? Well, that depends on your taste buds. Carob has a unique flavor that's similar to chocolate but not identical. It's sweeter, milder, and lacks the bitterness of cocoa. Some people love it, others not so much. But here's the thing, carob isn't trying to be chocolate. It's its own thing, a delicious, nutritious alternative that deserves a place in your pantry. So why not give it a try? You might just discover your new favorite treat. And there you have it, the incredible story of carob, the healthy chocolate you've never heard of. From its ancient origins to its modern-day superfood status, carob is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your brain power, or just enjoy a guilt-free dessert, carob has got you covered. So, what do you think? Are you ready to give carob a try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you're feeling inspired, why not whip up a batch of Carob Energy Bites and share them with your friends? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Wellness Lab, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our deliciously healthy content. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to wellness, the sweetest choices are often the smartest ones. See you next time.